Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Selfie Febrianti. You can call me Selfie. I'm from the 7th semester English Education Study Program, University Muhammadiyah Bogor. Midterm test, pragmatic. The purpose of making this video to fulfill the requirement for the midterm test pragmatic assessment. The principle of the maxim of graciousness. In natural communication, it can be assumed the speaker articulation and entrenched with the intention of communication something to the interlocutor and hopes that the interlocutor can understand what is being communicated. Greets peer to communicate something to the interlocutor and hope that the interlocutor can understand what is being communicated. Greets Piawijaya 2044 55. For this reason, speakers always try to make their speech always relevant to the context, clear and easy to understand. In general, there are several maxims that must be obeyed by speech as participants. They are maxim of quantity, maxim of quality, maxim of relevance, and maxim of manner. The concept of precision maxim is divided into four, namely: 1. The maxim of quantity. In the maxim of quantity, a speaker is expected to be able to provide enough information, relatively adequate and informative as possible. Such information shall not exceed the information that the speaker actually needs, required by the speaker. Speech that does not contain information that is really needed by the speech partner can be said to violate the maxim of quantity. Prahardi 2005-53. Example 1. Let the two tools sativers be consumed with love. 2. Let the two loose fulfills who are both drunk with love and full of lust be consumed in love. Rahardi 2005-53. Speech 1 and 2 are spoken by our manager of a student boarding house to his son who is feeling annoyed. Student boarding house manager to his son who was irritated by the unnatural behavior of the boarding house residents who are urinal and even violate or have been sick. In the example above, the outrage is clear and very informative. Informative context indicate besides so because without having to add with information, the speech can already be understood well and clearly by the speech partner and clearly understand by the speech partner. 2. The maxim of quality. In the maxim of quality, a speech participant is expected to, to be able to convey to something that is real and according to the actual facts in speech. Speech the parts must be supported and basic and clear evidence. For example, someone must say that the capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, not other critics, unless it is really not true. Other critics unless really don't know. However, if the opposite happens, then 3R is reason why this happens. Rahardi 2005 55 example 1 please cheese so that can grade it easily. 2 don't get you'll get a Rahardi 2005 555 speech 1 and 2 are spoken by a lecturer to his student in the exam room when a sees a student cheating. Exam room when he saw a student who was trying to catch a cheating. Speech 1 is clearly more like to allow for cooperation between the speaker and the speech partner. Speech 1 is said to violate a maxim of quality because the speaker says something that is actually not in accordance with what a person should do. That one should do. This bit is something a work if the word of education 3 is a lecturer who allows his student to catch on their student to catch during the exam. 3. The maxim of relevance. In the maxim of relevance, it is stated that in order for cooperative to occur, cooperative between speaker and speech partners, each of them should be able to make relevant contribution about something that is being spoken about. It should be able to make relevant contribution about something that is being spoken about. That is being spoken. Speaking by not making such a contribution is considered to disobey and violate the principle of cooperation. Rahardi 2012 comply with and violate the principle of cooperation. Rahardi 2005 556 6 example 1 Sang Hyang Tunggal, but before you go, take me words to heart, my words in your heart. Smart I do or words. Rahardi 2005 2005 56. Speech 1 is a spoken by Sang Hyang Tunggal to smart in purpose scans. The snippet of speech above can be cited to Fulvi and Fulvi, the maxim of relevance. It is cited so because if examined more closely, that speech delivery by smart, namely I'm willing, yes, Lord, is really a response to the command of but before you go. Who down me my words before you go, take me words to hear for the maxim of manner. This implementation maxim requires speech participant to speak directly, correctly, and not vaguely, direct, clear, and not vague. People we speak without considering this thing can be said to violate reach comprehension principles because it does not comply with the implementation maxim Rahardi 2005 56. Example: one positives come on often it quickly means just a moment. It's still called Rahardi 2005 557. Speech 1 is spoken by an older brother to his young sister. The snippet of speech above has a low level of clarity because it has a low level of clarity. Low clarity, the cell level of vagueness automatically becomes very high. The speaker's positives come on often it's quickly does not provide any clarity about what the speech partner is actually asking for. The word of need the above speech contains a very high level of ambiguity and vagueness. Heights, so the meaning becomes very vague. It can be said so because the word is possible to be interpreted variously, linguistically. The speech delivery by the speech pattern means not only just a moment, it still contains a high level of ambiguity and vagueness. Or could contain a high level of ambiguity. The word call in the utterance can bring in many possible interpretive perfection because in the it is not clear what exactly is called. Such utterance can be said to violate the principle of comprehension because it does not comply with the maxim of implementation. The concept of humor and joke. Humor is a form of play, as humorless humans love to play. For adults, play is recreation, but for children, it is part of the learning process. Alan Wijaya 2024 24. Games is an absolute part of a children's personality. Through play, children creatively is awakened, stimulated, and through play, a child is prepared to become a member of society. To become a member of society, distinguishing humor found in modern Chinese literature into the types, namely humor as a language code, humor as a literary code, and humor as a culture. The Code Wijaya 2004 in concept 3 is fundamental difference between ordinary discourse and humor discourse, ordinary discourse informed from a bona fide communication process, while humorous discourse is formed from the absence communication process. Paskin Piawijaya 2200 2004 139. The process of creating humorous discourse itself can be through language games. In this regard, humorous discourse often defines from the rules of communication as outlaid by the principle of rules outlaid by pragmatic principle, but textual and interpersonal Q&A. Laughing while watching comedy is a complex relation that involves a variety of factors, including understanding of humor, social values, and personal experience. Christian Maxim theory provides a framework for understanding how humor works in a communication context. Christian Maxim theory. This theory focuses on the idea that in conversation we are assumed that all interlocutors follow four maxims. 1. Quality: speak truthfully and based on correct information. 2. Quantity: provide enough information that is relevant to the topic conversation. 3. Relevance: provide information that is relevant to the topic of conversation. 4. Manner: speak clearly, concisely, and in organized manner. Humor often arises when one of these maxims is violated. This violation can lead to humorous inequalities as we expect our interlocutors to follow the rules of communication. Humor in comedy. In comedy, violation of Christian maxims are often used to create humor. For example, a stand-up comedian might violate the maxim of relevance by telling a story that makes no sense or unrelated to the topic of conversation. Violations of the maxim of quality occur when comedians make a statement they are clearly false or hyperbolic. Example in comedy movie, violations of the maxim of relevance in the movie The Hangover. Alan Jenner's character often speaks irrelevantly, such as when he suddenly tells about his fast forward while they are searching for his missing friend. Why do we laugh when we see a violation of Christian maxim? We feel a discrepancy between what is expected and what happens. This discrepancy creates tension that is then released with laughter. Laughter is emotional reaction to the surprise, confusion, or delights evoked by humor. Conclusion: Christian maxim theory help us understand how humor works in communication. By building certain maxim, comedians can create humor in quotes and trigger laughter in the audience. Laughter is a complex reaction that involves factors including understanding of humor, social values, and personal experience. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.